demonstrated sheer will, tenacity, and determination by clinching the Class 6A football state championship, the first such championship in the county's history, on the momentous evening of December 20th, 2008, while embodying a spirit of sportsmanship in a 28-21 victory over two-time Class 6A champions Miami Northwestern and shattering South Florida's record of 6 consecutive state champions. Whereas all of the alumni of Seminole High School and all of the residents of the city of Sanford, Seminole County, and the state of Florida join with great pride to congratulate and recognize the players, the coaches, and staff of the Fighting Seminoles for delivering one of the most inspiring demonstrations of courage, endurance, skill, teamwork, resilience, and heart by not succumbing to the immense pressure of a 21-point deficit from their opponent's first 3 possessions and delivering the biggest upset in high school football history in their 28-21 triumph. And whereas Seminole High School continues to inspire, motivate, and encourage its students and staff and community to greatness, and remains an integral part of this community and presents an exemplary profile that other schools, students, and athletes may adopt to ensure their own success. Now therefore, I, Linda Kuhn, by virtue of the authority vested in me as the mayor of the city of Sanford, do hereby proclaim January 14th, 2009 as Fighting Noles Championship Day in the city of Sanford.
I'd like to thank Mayor Kuhn of the city of Sanford for this fabulous celebration. And while we're setting this up, I think it's only appropriate, Mr. Malcolm and Mrs. Newhouse, I think we at least have a round of the chop while we're doing this. Have everybody stand. You guys ready for that?